So we're replacing the pop-up assembly and faucet on this sink. P-trap's already been removed. We're cutting the nut off that pop-up assembly. It was stuck on there pretty good. So oscillating tool comes in for the win. Now we got that nut removed, we're going to start pulling the assembly off. Get it all cleaned up so that way we can hook up the new one. First, we're going to pull that faucet, get it out of the way, clean up the area. And of course, it's an old faucet. It doesn't like to come off very well, so it took a few minutes. New faucet's going in now. A little bit simpler design. Getting that new pop-up assembly in. I like to dope the bottom side of that pop-up assembly. Usually that rubber gasket sits, they tend to want to leak, so I just make it best practice just to put a bunch of pipe dope. It never leaks. Gotta start putting that P-trap back together, getting that all done. That way we can hook up the water lines and get it all tested. I usually put a little bit of pipe dope on the tailpiece side of the pop-up or P-trap, just to help seal it. Getting the water lines put in. Got some brand new ones. Get them all nice and tightened up. I like to use a one-stop wrench. Seems to help move things along a little quicker. Cut those poly lines up into place, tighten them down. Usually if it's old angle stops, I'll tighten the packing nut because they tend to leak sometimes after you turn them on and off. And they haven't been touched in 20 years. So I'm going to test everything, get it all filled up, and send it on its way. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe.